Hello everyone, I am Lokesh and welcome back to the channel. So friends, this video is related to 2023 batch, okay, 2024 batch and 2025 batch. Okay, this video is related to Hack with Infi competition as well as the NFTQ advantage round. Okay, I just make an complete video. Okay, I consider the both of the two important topics in one video like Hack with Infi and the NFTQ advantage round. So many candidates say that what is advantage round and when advantage round. Hack with Infi first round and advantage round is same. If you are from 2023, 24 or 25 batches, okay, please watch the video till the end. Hack with Infi practice question if you want complete points, complete information in one video. So let's start the video. Okay, so we divide the two portion. First of the portion is InfyTQ. Okay, InfyTQ certification round. Okay, so as we all know about that, the Infosys certification round result is declared, and the next round is InfyTQ advantage round. Okay, so one of the most important point, the advantage round consists of 3 coding question. Okay, if you solve the 2 coding questions successful, so after that there is an interview of DSE role. Okay, if you successfully clear the 3 coding question, so there is an interview of specialist programmer, that is a power programmer, and this is for the DSE role. This is all about that process of InfyTQ advantage round. Okay, if I just consider the Hack with Infi, so there is a first round, after that there is a grand finale. Okay, for the top 100 participants, but there is a first round. Okay, the first round is also considered as the 3 coding question. Okay, in which first is easy, second is medium, and third is hard. Okay, similar type of same topic, like only coding questions are asked. There is no aptitude, there is no MCQ. Okay, only there is this pattern is followed for the Hack with Infi examination. Okay, so one of the most important point, if you just clear the Infosys certification round, so you are eligible for advantage round. Okay, so the advantage round is not different. Okay, it is same as the Hack with Infi first round. Okay, like Hack with Infi consists also first, second, third question, 3 coding question, and advantage round. Okay, so the advantage round and Hack with Infi examination is on the same date. Okay, Infosys team will send you mail that is related to advantage round. If you also applied for the Hack with Infi, okay, and if you already selected for advantage round, so just give the advantage round, because your advantage round performance considered for the Hack with Infi or for the other opportunities. Because if you clear the first round, okay, so there is an opportunity of also DSE and SP. Okay, and if you just clear the advantage round, you have an opportunity of DSE SP. All thing is same, don't confuse in this point. Okay, one of the most important point I have to show on Infosys Hack with Infi career website. Hack with Infi participant who also opted for Infosys certification advantage round, okay, clearly mention, if you clear the Infosys certification advantage round, should only participate in the latter, not in the Hack with Infi round 1, as their advantage round performance will determine their selection for the final round of Hack with Infi. One of the most important point, if you selected for advantage round, so don't give the Hack with Infi first round, because the advantage round and Hack with Infi first round is same. Your advantage round performance is considered for the Hack with Infi next round, that is for the grand finale round. And as you can see on my screen that do I need to register for the advantage round? Okay, the details of the examination which will be communicated to you on your registered mail ID. What is the syllabus? It will advanced test that assess your programming and other technical skills. Okay, what happens if I clear advantage round? Candidate who clear the advantage round will get replacement interview opportunity for either specialist or digital specialist based on their advantage round. Okay, what happen if I clear certification round but do not clear the advantage round? Don't worry about that. In case you do not clear the advantage round, you will get an opportunity to appear in a technical interview for system engineer role and become an Infosys certified software programmer. If you clear this interview, you will receive a job offer for system engineer role as well as the certification. Okay, so I hope this video is useful for everyone. Okay, so one of the most important point, don't worry about that. If you selected for advantage round, don't give the Hack with Infi first round. If you are not selected for advantage round, you are rejected in the mean the certification round. So give the Hack with Infi examination. Okay, if you want Hack with Infi practice question or any other materials, DM me on Instagram or comment in the comment section. वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो लाइक कर दीजिएगा. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग द वीडियो.